Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. On one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Leos. On your side we have the Six of Cups. So this is getting back together, wanting to reconcile or reconciling with somebody from the past, wanting to have those happy times once again. Let's see what is on your person's side. The Emperor. So this person is very much in control of their life. Maybe this person is very mature, knowledgeable. Maybe there is a lot of age gap between both of you. It can be that. And the most likely outcome in this situation, the Ace of Pentacles. So a new beginning is there in this relationship as far as these three cards are concerned. Okay, so let's clarify. Let's see, why is the Six of Cups here on your side, Leos? So for the Six of Cups we have the Justice, the World. Ooh, good. Ten of Cups. So yeah, so definitely you are getting back together as far as there is a decision being made to step forward in this relationship towards commitment. It's very simple. Maybe you know this person from the past. Maybe this person you are reconciling with somebody from the past, or your ex. It can be maybe this you have a history with this person in the sense that maybe you know this person from childhood. It can be that also. You've grown up together type of a thing. Maybe you know this person from quite some time. Okay, that is what it is. Many. So but anyway, yes, a decision is being taken to step forward in this relationship for a commitment and a family, which is giving a lot of emotional satisfaction to you. It's a beautiful reading on your side, beautiful energies. Let's see, why is this Emperor here for on your person's side? So for the Emperor we have the King of Swords, the Death. These cards flipped out, the four cards which flipped out, and they have again shown up. Oh, really amazed at this tarot. These three cards are the same which flipped out. I didn't see all, but yes, I think this was not there, but these three cards were the same. Amazing. So why is this Ace of Pentacles here for as the most likely outcome? Why is this Ace of Pentacles here for the most likely outcome? So for the Ace of Pentacles we have the Five of Cups, the Ten of Wands, Four of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So what I feel here is that you want to reconcile with this person. You've taken a decision. You really want commitment from this person. You want happiness, and that is what you want. But as far as this person is concerned, being the Emperor there, I said that maybe this person is knowledgeable, in a position for far, maybe more mature than you. But one more thing which is there is, maybe the Emperor is a person who takes a decision, and once they've taken a decision, there is no looking back type of a thing. Maybe this person is dominating and stubborn too. It can be that, because that's what I feel. The King of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, the Strength, and the Five of Swords. So what I feel here is that this person is totally detached from you. There is a big transition going in this scenario over here, in this connection over here with the Five of Swords. What I feel is there has been some sort of an argument between both of you, maybe, and that is why you want to reconcile. But this person, I really don't feel, seeing all the cards here in the mutual outcome also, that you want a new beginning. That's what I see in the most likely outcome with the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely you want a new beginning here, but somebody wants, I think it's you. For that also we have the Five of Cups, the Ten of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. So I really don't see that new beginning happening over here. Okay, so this person is behaving in a very cold and a stubborn manner, or in a dominating manner. This person is not ready to invest. And with the Death and Rebirth and the Strength, yes, and with the Five of Swords. So what I feel is this person, whatever has happened between both of you, because of which you broke up, Okay, it's because you want a reconciliation, but this person, I think it's not easy for this person to let go. That's what I'm getting overall. It's not easy for this person to let go, and I really don't feel that this person is ready to let go of, or they are able to let go of whatever has happened between both of you. That's what I feel. And this has come as a major changeover in this relationship. Maybe initially they were ready for the commitment, but at least not for now. That's what I feel. At least not now. Maybe in future what they'll do, I don't know. But at least as for now, these energies are concerned, this person is having a major transition. They are really, either they are going some tough times, whatever has happened has really had a tough time on them. Okay, that's what I feel. A major change is happening in their life. That is what they feel. It's not easy, and I really don't feel, because somebody here is really, really upset and really done with whatever it was. They're totally closed off, and somebody here feels really ignored and rejected in this situation. So what I feel is, even if you want to reconcile with this person, it's done with whatever it was, and this person I really don't see. Even if you want to make a new beginning with this person, I really don't see it happening, because somebody is really walking off. They are totally closed off to this situation. I really feel that this person is done with uh, whatever has happened. I really don't feel this person is going to invest or come back, at least not for now. Guidance from the universe. Love makes all the difference. Love helps heal the past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Number 31 may be of some significance. So the ship of love is in a lot of turbulence in this picture. So the thing is that at least for now they are not ready. So love, but the guidance is coming up as love makes the difference. Love can help to heal the past hurt and provide a sense of security and self-worth. So if you want, you have the patience to deal with the situation, and maybe at some point in time, maybe after some time, this person changes their mind and comes back. But at least for this time frame, maybe you just need to behave in a loving way to them and just see if things change in the future. That's all I can say. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.